Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make refried bean dip. Heat oil, sauté onion and garlic, then add cooked beans and mash while stirring until creamy. Season with salt, cumin, and a squeeze of lime, tasting as you go. Adjust texture with reserved cooking liquid or broth for creaminess. Finish with chopped cilantro and a drizzle of olive oil for a bright, savory touch everyone will enjoy. Layering flavor starts with toasting spices in the pan to release oils and aroma, then adding aromatics and beans to absorb that heat. A splash of lime or a dash of hot sauce brightens the profile, while a handful of grated cheese melts into the beans for extra creaminess. Taste and adjust salt, acidity, and spice to reach balance. Serve warm and garnish with cilantro for contrast and color. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel and our future recipes. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to for a fresh-smelling car after grocery runs or taco nights, and it's a funny little lifesaver when your car needs a pick-me-up. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Spoon warm refried bean dip into a shallow bowl and top with fresh pico, jalapenos, or crumbled cheese to add texture and brightness. Pair with tortilla chips, warm pita, or crisp vegetable sticks for a crowd-pleasing appetizer. Leftovers keep well refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 4 days, and you can reheat gently on the stove with a splash of broth to revive creaminess. This dip works great as a taco spread too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.